Welcome back to another quick guide. Today we'll walk you through how to zoom face in Inshot. Here's a 5-step guide to zooming in on a face using Inshot. First, open the Inshot app. Launch the Inshot app on your device and choose Video to start a new project. Import your video. Choose the video from the gallery that you want to edit and load it into the timeline. Then hit the check button on the bottom right. Select the clip. Tap on the video clip in the timeline to highlight it and choose it. Zoom in using the crop tool. Tap on canvas from the toolbar. Pinch and zoom the video using 2 fingers to focus on the face, or use the slider to the right to zoom. Alternatively, you can select a specific aspect ratio like 16:9 or 9:16 and adjust the zoom to center the face. Save the video. Once satisfied with the zoom effect, tap the check mark to confirm, and then hit export in the top right corner to export your video. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.